Hello there.
Oh, hello. Are you all right?
Yeah.
Good, how are you?
How's your dog?
He's gorgeous.
He's quite boring, though, isn't he?
No, he's mental.
Come on, Max. Come on. So,
No, I remember him being cute, but boring.
No, that's David's dog. David's dog literally smokes a pipe, I reckon.
Yeah.
They're all ready for you. Let's
good boy, Max.
go on.
Thank you.
It's a Yorkshire Terrier.
Didn't like me, did he? What's his problem?
Hi, what's your name?
Dave,
Dave, and who have you got in your arms, Dave?
Max the dog.
He's eyeballing me, isn't he? Eh?
Do you have a day job?
I'm getting a van driving job in 2 weeks' time.
Did you ever see Pudsey, who won the show?
Absolutely, Simon,
I mean,
yes.
are you and Max as good as that?
I reckon me and Max are just as good as that, yes.
Oh, look at him.
What a cutie.
He's not so cute, believe me.
And how long have you been preparing for this?
5 years, Simon.
Oh, wow. OK, well, good luck.
Good
Thank
luck.
you.
Oh, he's so cute.
Come here.
Max.
Alex, come on, please.
Fine, it's fine. What's his problem with me? Yeah, come here. What? I love dogs. What? What? What's the matter? What's the matter? Are you friends? What's the matter?
Is that it? Is he gone?
Max, look, look.
What's the matter? All right, okay, okay.
He's getting frustrated.
I what?
Come on, bring him back on
They
the
are,
plane.
they are. Good boy. Are we friends? Are we friends? Are we friends now? Are we friends now? Are we friends? There we are, here we are. Come on, come on. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Good boy. What's his problem?
Come here.
Come on! Oh, Max! Okay! Okay, Max.
All right, this.
Are you okay? Are you okay? You all right? Good. Go on.
I like the act. The dog has good instincts.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Apart from chasing Ant, I just really would love to know what else Max was going to do.
He should have done some singing.
Seriously? Always wanted to find a dog that could sing.
It's just brilliant it all went to plan. I'm sorry, it's a no.
Thank you.
Well done, Max. Okay.
Maybe not.
Maybe...